Okay, so this is a very quick video to teach you how to optimize for mobile, right, on ClickFunnels. So I'm going to use one of the example share funnels that is being shared in the One Funnel Away challenge. And when you go to edit page, you'll be able to go in and look at all the different elements that's happening within ClickFunnels, right? And like, oh, this is a page that is typically being created on desktop browser, and then there's like you see all the elements and it's like two columns. There's like a big image over here with a form, and for you to preview in mobile, you can actually go to the mobile preview here, and then this is what you'll see. You actually see that all the like type fonts, right, became way too big for you to be viewed on a mobile screen. And first thing that you can do, right, is to start to adjust the sizes of your type fonts within ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels has actually provided a really simple way for you to do it, and firstly is to just edit the mobile size. So you can see that the original font size was like size 36 pixel, right? And usually for something around 36, right, I'll go to reduce it to about 18 pixel. And you see it's going to be over here. And for this giant headline, right, I'm going to also shrink it down probably by half or so, like going all the way down to like 36 pixel and see how it looks. Yeah, it looks pretty good, and I can see the picture that is coming up along with the description at the bottom. Yeah, so for images wise, right, how do you actually change for to change the image to something that is more mobile friendly, right, is to also go to the settings. And right now what I'm going to do, right, is I'm going to clone this particular element, right, and I'm going to change in settings, right, and change it to mobile only. And over here, right, that's where I can like start to change the image sizes. For example, right now I can change it to, I'll just take the standard half of it, like 300, maybe even to like 200. Yeah, like this is what I wanted. And then for the element that's on top, I'm going to change it to desktop only. So you can see right now, right, when I come back to the desktop version, right, everything is still the same size as it's supposed to be shown on the desktop browser. But when I go back to the mobile preview, right now my images, right, will actually be smaller than what it is, right, as compared to the desktop version. And at the bottom, the same thing, I'm going to reduce the sizes. This one will probably be around like 16 pixels.
I couldn't hear what you said.
Oh, Siri. Never mind. Yeah, and for the other elements, right, just adjust the size accordingly, right, and then you'll have a mobile ready website, right, that can be created on ClickFunnels.